Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Annie Wanjiku. If you're seeing my face for the first time, please do consider subscribing. And to the real OGs, thank you so much for the love and support. Today I want to give you a tour of my single room, so please do relax. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment down below. Okay, so let's start the tour. The first thing that you meet up with, this door. I don't like it because imeanza kupata rust a little bit, but anyway, I have this beautiful curtain. I got it from Prolific Carpets. Their shop is in Kamkunji, Gesha Building, first floor, shop 39, or you can let me know if you want the number. So yeah, it's so beautiful. The gray in a shout, like it's so shining. Sile gray dark, kunele gray, yes, and it's dark, but this one is a little bit shining and I like it. So yeah, I have this. So over here I have my dustbin. I decided to put it next to the door because hapa ndo kuna space. The other side niliona hakuna that big space ya kuweka the dustbin, even though it's not big. I just opted to put it here. Over here I have my fridge. I got this fridge from Gigi. Nili go through the random shops zenye zinakuwa zimepost, and the best things that they do offer delivery on payment, so like you have to pay when it's already delivered rather than you paying for it so that it can be delivered. Okay, Ecomax is not a bad fridge, but it's not the fridge that I wanted, so obviously there'll be a change in future, but so far so good. The energy consumption is not that high, it's a little bit low, so I'll consider it for someone who's planning to move out and they don't have a good budget. Like Pesa Itoshi, you can choose to take Ecomax. I have a 43-inch TV. Nilinunua Luthuli, go with someone, that's my advice. So in a single room we only have one main switch, so I have connected the fridge and the TV, so that's why they're so close to each other. Over here I have a white TV stand, nilinunua po 1 year close, and then I have a speaker, it's a Bluetooth one. So yeah, that's just it. Hapa kwa TV, let me show you. So as you can see the TV, and then let me show you the switch. So this is what I was talking about. So I have the socket. This one at least I can connect the fridge, ni charge simu na bado niweke the speaker. So yeah, and then over here it's my TV. It has a TV. I have a TV guard cause stima inapoteanga abruptly na inarudi tu hivyo without you knowing. So to avoid it being band ama ya TV chomeke, I always have to have that one. So this one it's for the system, and then this one it's for the TV. So iko na space kadogo hapa, of which I have nothing over there. Then I have these 2 spaces. So yeah, that's it. Over here I have this beautiful mirror. Nilinunua Mirror Deco by Lish. They did also offer Lipa on delivery, so I went for it. It was costing me 5,900 for a mirror. That's how hard they go for aesthetics, okay? So yeah, hapa niko na my shoe rack. It's a multi-purpose shoe rack, okay? Don't judge it. Hii nilitengenezewa by the same person who made for me my bed, but I'll never recommend him because alinipe depression, that person. So I have my handbags over here and also my shoes. Then on top I decided to put my oils, my perfume, so that at least when I'm dressing up, it will be easier for me. And yeah, I felt like it was going to serve all this purpose because pia sina viatu mob. I'm not a fan of wearing closed shoes, okay? So yeah, that's actually basically it. Let me give you a 3. So this is how the mirror looks like. Obviously, I'm sure right now I'm Pandisha Bay if I'm not wrong. Okay, I have my Bibles over here and my books, my makeups, then my oils. Over here it's where my handbags are. Viatu zangu ziko hapa. I don't have so many shoes. Hizi ni mpya bado sijaiva. I need to start wearing shoes. So yeah, let me give you
cruise if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Let me feel so showing up with you.
So I have this beautiful couch. I got it from Kahawa Furnitures. They did also offer pay on delivery, and it was going for 31,000 Kenyan shillings, and the delivery fee was 700. Really bargain delivery fee. So it's off-white, of which nanipeanga headache because you have to clean it 24/7. I feel like I'll change it. Obviously next year 2027 I'll change to a bigger space, so here it will have to go. I got this throw blanket from Kawangware, think twice, and it was going for 200 shillings. So nikamwacha niweke hapa. Yeah, and it fits perfectly. This one, aesthetics also got the best of me, but so far so good. The quality is good, material pia ni poa, inaweza pumzika. But so for my carpet, I got it from Prolific Carpets. I wanted to buy a grey couch, kitanda ilikuwa ikuwe grey, but things changed, so that's why the carpet is grey. It's not that bad, sindio? It's good, and it was going for 4,500 Kenyan shillings.
Like you bless me with all your love, I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, is their love.
So on this side, it's where my bed is. The bed, it's a 5x6, a white bed also. I got it from the same person who made my shoe rack, but I've said earlier I'm not recommending him. The duvet, it's from Prolific Carpets. Those two arts nilizinunua tao. They were going for 300 each. And the pillows are from Kamkunji also. So where I've stored my clothes, so I have this wardrobe nilinunua Kabiria, Apple opposite Oshol Hospital. It was going for 4,500 Kenyan shillings. At least it has fitted all my clothes, but kwa range it's where I'm getting a little bit of a problem. Over here I have my laundry basket. I have my towel placed over there. Then I have other things that I'm using. So this is my shower gel. I have my toothpaste holder and other things that I would want to use later.
Can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, is their lust if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We all win on.
So guys, as you can see, I've tried to squeeze all the things in my house, they fit too perfectly, and also to have a good look. So over here I have this utensils rack. Nilinunua at Golden Price Limited. They do offer wholesale price even when you're taking one item. So nilinunua 700, huko nje sijui zinauzwa 1400 ama 1300. So Golden Price Limited at Kawangware. Even if you're going to take one item, just request them to sell for you at a wholesale price and they'll do it, okay? So over here it's a white and gray, kulikuwa na ya blue and white, and I wanted something that matches at least the theme of my house. Taki kala mingi kwa nyumba, so I took the white and gray one and it looks so good. I also got this one from them, this jug, and it was going for 300. So this is my milk, the milk that I'm supposed to prepare tea with it. So sijapika bado chai. Karibuni chai watu wangu. Over there I've been able to put these sufurias, and also there I can store the dirty utensils. Hapa niko na sukari, unga. So as you can see, this kitchen table nilinunua pale Kabiria also. It was going for 2,500. So yeah. On this other side, I have my gas and my cooker. It's a BJS 60x60. It has to be connected to the electricity first. So I have to pass the electricity. I'm still doing the math. It's a black one. Kenye linifurahisha to the color. I was like, let me just go for it. So over there, I have my jug ya kuchemsha maji moto. I have these holders that nilinunua 90 bob. That one was 100 because ilikuwa 6 pieces. Over there I have my kitchen cabinet. Don't make some of my things that I do use. So the drilling wasn't good, but they were to come and drill it the next day nikakata. So over here I have my wallpaper. Nilibuy Isili at 400. Okay. My doormat, I got it from Kawangware. It was going for 300 shillings. I have this beautiful curtain. So niliwaambia earlier that there were 2 pairs. This is the other pair. I did decide to put it on this side. So it is a good sheer. You can see the material ningumu, and also this curtain. So it's also from Prolific Carpets. If you want their number, you can let me know. Over there I have my dispenser. Nilibuy Gigi, but I had to go for it myself because niliona the delivery fee it's too much na nikitu kadogo, so nikaienda tukuichukua mwenyewe. The doormat is also from Kawangware. It was going for 300 shillings and we are done. So I have to refill the water, but maji bado iko. So yeah, that's it.
Take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put her ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Love you cause I'm showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. Try to break you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, it's their lust if you down.